Hi! In this video, the 5 best stainless steel mixing bowl sets that I will be talking about today are based on information I have gathered from all the skilled cooks and kitchen experts I know. In today's home kitchens, high-quality stainless steel mixing bowls are more in demand than ever. From meal prep to baking, professional chefs and home cooks alike appreciate their durability, rust resistance, and easy cleanup. This guide evaluates top sets based on build quality, storage convenience, lid performance, and value for money, helping you pick a set that truly delivers in everyday kitchen tasks. Without wasting time rehashing the uses of the best stainless steel mixing bowl sets in cooking, let's jump straight to the main video. Top of the top 5 is Priority Chef Premium Mixing Bowls with Lids. The Priority Chef Premium Mixing Bowls with Lid set is a standout 5-piece set that blends durability with practical features that both newbies and experienced cooks will love. Crafted from thicker-than-average stainless steel, these bowls are designed to withstand years of mixing, whisking, and prepping without bending or denting, yet still feel lightweight and manageable. Each bowl includes a BPA-free airtight lid, making it easy to store leftovers or prep ingredients ahead of time without needing extra containers. The etched internal measurement markings are a thoughtful touch, serving as built-in measuring guides that eliminate the need for extra tools while cooking. A non-slip silicone base keeps the bowls steady on your countertop, even during vigorous mixing. With sizes ranging from 1.5 to 5 quarts and a nesting design for space-saving storage, this set hits a sweet spot for most kitchens, ideal for mixing batters, marinating, or storing prepared ingredients before serving. The second best stainless steel mixing bowl set is Cuisinart Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set. For cooks seeking simplicity and reliability from a trusted brand, the Cuisinart Mixing Bowl Set Stainless Steel delivers a classic, no-frill solution. This set typically includes 3 essential sizes, often 1.5, 3, and 5 quarts, that cover a wide range of tasks from whisking eggs to preparing large batches of dough. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these bowls are dishwasher safe and resistant to stains and rust. Their clean, polished finish makes them easy to clean and prevents lingering food odors, while the smooth interior enables effortless mixing with hand or electric mixers. While they don't come with lids, their straightforward design focuses on everyday performance without unnecessary extras. The bowls stack inside one another for efficient storage, and their balanced weight makes them suitable for nearly every kitchen preparation task. Whether you're baking or prepping salads, this Cuisinart set is a durable go-to that stood the test of time for many cooks. The best stainless steel mixing bowl set in third place is Wisco Meal Prep Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl. The Wisco Meal Prep Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl 5-piece set is a versatile prep-oriented bowl set built for simplicity and everyday use. Comprising 5 nesting bowls in various sizes, often from about 0.75 up to 5 quarts, this set delivers solid utility for meal prep, tossing salads, or mixing batters. Constructed from BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel, these bowls are rust-resistant and won't react with acidic ingredients, a bonus for marinades and salad dressings. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and nest compactly for space-efficient storage. Still, they do not come with lids, so you'll need separate storage solutions if you plan to refrigerate or transport food. Still, their heavy-duty feel, classic design, and broad size range make them versatile workhorses in any kitchen, ideal for cooks who want dependable bowls for prep duties without extra accessories.
And the best stainless steel mixing bowl set in fourth place is Wepson Mixing Bowl Set 25 PCS. For those who love maximum versatility in one comprehensive package, the Mixing Bowl Set 27 PCS Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl with Lid set offers a great all-in-one solution. This set expands beyond basic bowls with a wide assortment of accessories like airtight lids, colander/strainer attachments, graters, dressing containers, and measuring tools, perfect for extensive meal prep or multi-step recipes. The bowls themselves cover a range of useful sizes, usually from around 1.5 QT up to 5 QT, nesting neatly inside each other to save cabinet space. Each bowl sports a polished stainless steel interior that's easy to clean and corrosion resistant, and the airtight lids help keep food fresher longer. The inclusion of additional tools like strainers and graters makes this a kitchen-ready set for tasks like rinsing produce, shredding cheese, and dressing salads without needing extra gadgets. If you love multifunctional kits and want more than just mixing bowls, this 27-piece set delivers excellent value for the price.
The fifth remaining product is Roté Mixing Bowl Set with airtight lids. The mixing bowl set with airtight lids, 20 PCS stainless steel, is another expansive set tailored for cooks who want the flexibility of multiple bowl sizes paired with handy accessories. At its core, this set usually includes 6 stainless steel bowls from around 1 quart up to larger sizes like 7 quart, with matching airtight lids and a suite of kitchen tools like graters, whisks, spatulas, and measuring spoons. The premium food-grade stainless steel bowls have a polished interior for easy cleaning and a brushed exterior for durability. Nesting storage helps keep counters clutter-free, and the silicone bases on some versions prevent slips while mixing. With airtight lids sealing in freshness, this set shines for meal prep, ingredient storage, or multi-step recipes where you want to prep ahead. Its combination of multiple bowls and accessories makes it a compelling all-in-one solution for avid home cooks and bakers alike. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.